Hi, this is Rayhan, and I'll be presenting my video presentation for this second assignment. Well, for starting up for the introduction, I would like to say one thing that happened 6 months ago. One day I woke up and had a dream. I had a dream to go abroad and have a lot of experience. They're traveling everywhere, going to Spain, going to Germany, like exploring places, right? But that's not the story I'm telling you. I'm telling you a story that what happened. So I got an email 6 months ago, and the email I got from an overseas internship. So I applied for the overseas internship and got an internship at a Spanish company in Madrid. But sadly, it was a virtual one, so I couldn't go there. I had the option, but I didn't go there because of certain reasons. So so I worked as a data scientist at a Spanish company called Emergist. Okay, so Emergist is a company that uses machine learning and deep learning to analyze Earth's geographical data and put it into perspective of the world leaders. So our company Emergist is a small startup. It's basically comprised of 4 people, and our data science team is comprised of our CTO Jose and my supervisor Alexander. So I basically worked with Alexander in the data team, and he basically supervised me throughout the program. And also our CTO Jose also supervised me time to time, but I didn't actually work with him that much. But we actually worked with the deep learning, and we used Jupyter Notebook for analyzing data and putting that data into useful cases that is used in everyday use of a lot of companies here and there. So we were big tech companies like IBM and Santander and whatnot. So that was an amazing opportunity that happened, and I got to learn about a lot of things, especially deep learning and AI. That because of the new AI revolution that happened like the latest November, the data science field has actually shrunk a bit. But the thing is, they're using more and more productive tools to make our lives easier. So as a data scientist, I actually worked with the last amount of data sets and showed it out and actually put it into some practical uses over there. I had an amazing opportunity to meet a lot of people in the industry and took their notes and how was their take on the progress of data and machine learning in the future. And another thing that happened in my internship is that I actually faced some bit of problem because, of course, it's online, it's virtual. I'm not present there, and some bits of communication gap, of course, happened. But some technical aspect of problems that I faced is that I never actually used machine learning and AI for my day-to-day life use. So it basically became a habit at the end of the month. And another thing is that I actually never handled a large amount of data, especially geographical data sets, which are found from satellites. So that's something that was kind of new, but my supervisors were amazing. They basically walked me through our whole process, and I'm really grateful for that. Special shout out to Alexander. He actually helped me every bit of the process. Yeah, so from that conversation, you can understand the work culture in our company. It's pretty friendly, and everyone is pretty close to each other because as is like a small company, and everyone is basically informed to each other, and we basically drop a chat here and there. All right, and now I'm going to talk about job readiness. All right. Well, before coming to this program, I of course I had some basic knowledge about programming and data structures and algorithms and stuff like that. But of course, I never worked with a team, right? Of course, I worked a lot of team in assignments, but working in real life and just working studying in general is not the thing. And that I quickly understand when I actually did the internship. So because a lot of things right now, they use that was not which is irrelevant, right? Because university, some languages or some types of algorithms are pretty back to date. So what I actually gotten out of the internship is that understanding that the industry is always versatile, everything is always changing, and we have to adapt to that. And I worked with a large amount of data sets of geographical insights. One particular project that I might include is that I actually analyzed how wildfire spreads in different regions of Spain and Portugal. Even in Australia, I actually insisted doing a research on Australia because there is a massive wildfire problem here. And what I noticed that some places are more often to catch wildfires because of certain industrial policies. So the thing is, as our company's logo is bringing the message to the leaders, so I think that we have been able to do that because we have reached out to governments and said that these are the reasons, or these industries are the reasons for having those kind of problems. So in conclusion, my overall experience in the industry was amazing, because not only I get the experience, also I get the knowledge, right? Because some skills are really important to survive in the industry, as the industry is always moving forward and always evolving. For example, the spread of AI, at November and December, it completely changed the whole market. And there's some kind of jobs which is a 2 data science now request none. So that's something to take out from. So from this industry, I really got that you have to be the best, and of course always having a mind that always keep learning. So it was an amazing opportunity. Really thankful for Jose and Alexander for giving me the opportunity, and a big shout out to Swimmer International for giving me the opportunity. Thank you so much. Thank you for listening.